Hello, stellar people, and welcome back to the channel where we will continue the summer study of anatomy for beginning artists. I'm Trey, an artist, more of an independent artist, and I like to go over some summer study just to get myself into a place to remind myself of how anatomy and how everything works. So today's summer session is of the humerus, is your upper bone of the arm. We're going to do the muscles and this bone. So the humerus is, I think, the second largest or second longest bone in the body, other than the femur, which is your leg bone. And it is this very unique looking bone, and I like the name humerus, and I try to remember it because of the funny bone. Humerus, funny bone, humerus, funny bone. And that was my way of remembering the humerus. So the humerus is attached to your body by the scapula and the clavicle. The clavicle on the front. Well, here's your sternum. The manubrium, which connects to the clavicle. Clavicle goes and connects to your scapula. Your scapula is on the back side of the body. It's a triangular, flattish bone, and these two bones help connect to your humerus bone. So the clavicle from the front, scapula from the back, connecting to your humerus bone. All right, so now the humerus has the head, which is up near the top, which actually is the connector for the scapular clavicle, head of the humerus. The greater tuberosity, which helps connect muscles of your shoulder, your deltoid. And at the bottom, it's very complicated because we have your radius and ulna at the bottom. And we'll be going over those bones and muscles in next week's episode. But there's the lateral condyle and the medial condyle, and they help to connect the radius and ulna of your forearm. This is your upper arm. So let's take a look at the muscles. I have most of it color-coded, and from front to back, back to front, we have it here on the left side. And the three major muscles of your upper arm, and your deltoid. The deltoid is the shoulder and helps connect your clavicle to your upper arm, keeps it attached, get that movement and all that. And there's the tricep, the brachialis, and the bicep. From the back to the front. From the front to the back, the bicep. The brachialis is on the side, this green one, and the tricep, which is on the back. So let's once again take a look at those muscles. So here we have the deltoid. It is your shoulder muscle. And from the front, which is also called your anterior, the front, it's broken into three parts: the front part, the middle part, and the back part. So front, middle, back, or anterior, medial, posterior. But yeah, front, middle, back of your deltoid. But you can also just lump these all together, but broken down more discreetly into these three. And then below that, we have the bicep, the brachialis, and the tricep. Tricep, brachialis, bicep. This is a flexor. This helps move the muscle or move your arm up and towards the body. Right? And this is an extendor, the tricep, because it helps extend your arm. That has multiple parts to it, but we just group them all together and call it the tricep. Right? There are multiple muscles grouped together, and then they bundle, and there's muscle tendons and sinew that attach to your elbow. And those are the major muscles of your upper arm. And next week, we will be going over the mini muscles of the forearm. So until then, I have been Trey, and I will see you on the next video. Take care and keep shining.